In this video, we will discuss about Class 7 Science Chapter number 3 Fiber to Fabric MCQs questions. Question number 1. Silk is obtained from A. Silkworm, B. Goat, C. Yak, or D. Plants. A. Silkworm is the right answer. Question number 2. Fibers obtained from plant and animal is called A. Synthetic fiber, B. Man-made fiber, C. Natural fibers, or D. None of these. Correct answer is natural fibers. Some example of natural fibers are silk, jute, wool and cotton. Question number 3. Wool is commonly obtained from A. Yak, B. Alpaca, C. Llama, or D. Sheep. Correct answer is D. Sheep. Some example of wool obtaining animals are given. Question number 4. Name the breed of sheep found in Rajasthan. A. Lohi, B. Marwari, C. Bakharwal, or D. All of these. Correct answer is A. Lohi. Some breeds of sheep found in India are given. Question number 5. The process of selecting parent sheep for obtaining special characteristics in their offspring is called A. Selective breeding, B. Sericulture, C. Rearing, or D. Shearing. Correct answer is A. Selective breeding. Question number 6. Which animal produces wool for making pashmina shawls? A. Llama, B. Sheep, C. Camel, or D. Kashmiri goat. Right answer is D. Kashmiri goat. Question number 7. Yak wool is common in A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Assam, C. Tibet, or D. None of these. Right answer is C. Tibet. Question number 8. The animal called llama and alpaca are found in A. India, B. Saudi Arabia, C. Bangladesh, or D. South America. Right answer is D. South America. Question number 9. The person who look after the sheep is called A. Cowherd, B. Veterinarian, C. Shepherd, or D. None of these. Correct answer is C. Shepherd. Question number 10. The process of removing hair from the body of a sheep in the form of fleece is called A. Sorting, B. Shearing, C. Dyeing, or D. Combing. The correct answer is B. Shearing, and please note that the cut of wool coat of a sheep along with a thin layer of skin is called fleece. Question number 11. The process of washing fleece that removes dust, dirt, dried sweat and grease is called A. Sorting, B. Spinning, C. Scouring, or D. Shearing. Correct answer is C. Scouring. Question number 12. The process of separating the fleece of a sheep into sections according to the quality of woolen fibers is called A. Sorting, B. Combing, C. Dyeing, or D. Scouring. Correct answer is A. Sorting. Question number 13. Coloring of wool fiber is called A. Combing, B. Sorting, C. Scouring, or D. Dyeing. Correct answer is D. Dyeing. Question number 14. Removing of small fluffy fibers from wool is called A. Sorting, B. Combing, C. Shearing, or D. Dyeing. Correct answer is B. Combing. Question number 15. Sorter's disease is caused by A. Virus, B. Protozoa, C. Bacteria, or D. Fungus. Correct answer is C. Bacteria, and sorter disease is caused by bacteria called anthrax. Question number 16. Rearing of silkworm is called A. Sericulture, B. Agriculture, C. Pisciculture, or D. Silviculture. Correct answer is A. Sericulture. The pisciculture is rearing of fish, and silviculture is growing of trees or cultivating of trees. Question number 17. Silkworms feed on leaves of which tree? A. Blackberry, B. Mulberry, C. Strawberry, or D. Gooseberry. Correct answer is B. Mulberry. Question number 18. The silky covering spun by silkworm of a silk moth is called A. Cocoon, B. Larva, C. None of these, or D. Sericulture. Correct answer is A. Cocoon. Question number 19. Angora wool obtained from A. Angora yak, B. Angora sheep, C. Angora goat, or D. all of these. Correct answer is C. Angora goat. Question number 20. The most common variety of silk is A. Kosa, B. Eri, C. Muga, or D. Mulberry. Correct answer is D. Mulberry.